I'm saying goodbye. I have to.
Well, to everyone. To me.
Yeah.
Surely Effy Stoner was not abandoning her party.
I don't belong there.
Neither do I. We've got a lot in common, me and you.
Please, man. Thank goodness.
I'll make it up to you.
How the fuck are you gonna do that, Freddie? We've dated. We are fucked in every sense of the word. We are cooking Effy.
This was us meeting for the first time. I'd do it all again. Everything.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means I still love you.
I let you take the one fucking girl I've ever loved, man.
There she is.
F? Who's F?
I've mistaken you for someone else. So what is your name?
You seem nice.
I'm nice.
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, nice to meet you. I'm James.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
She broke my heart, man. She broke my heart as well. You broke my heart.